In this video, I'll guide you through how to add an admin team member to your Microsoft Ads account. If you manage Microsoft Ads for your business, there may come a time when you need to give someone else access to your account. Whether you're working with an employee, a marketing agency, a contractor, or an assistant, Microsoft Ads allows you to invite additional users and assign them the level of access they need. The process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. To begin, sign into your Microsoft Ads account and wait for the main dashboard to load. Once you're on the home screen, look at the navigation menu on the left-hand side and click on Settings, which is represented by a gear icon. This section contains the account management tools, including user permissions. After opening Settings, click on User Management. This page displays everyone who currently has access to your Microsoft Ads account, along with their assigned roles. If you're the only person managing the account, you'll likely only see your own user profile listed. To invite someone new, click the blue Invite User button. This opens the invitation form where you'll enter the new user's information. Fill in the required fields, including the person's first name, last name, and email address. Be sure to enter the correct email address, since this is where Microsoft will send the invitation. The person will need access to that email in order to accept the invitation and join your account. Next, choose the appropriate role for the new user. Microsoft Ads provides several permission levels, including Super Admin, Standard User, Campaign Manager, and Viewer. Select the role that best matches the level of access you want that person to have. Choosing the correct permission level helps ensure they can perform the tasks you intend while maintaining appropriate control over your account. After you've completed all of the required information, click Send. Microsoft Ads will process the invitation and refresh the page. You'll now see the new user listed in the User Management section. At this point, they haven't been granted access just yet. Instead, they'll appear as a pending invitation until they accept the email invitation that Microsoft sends to them. Once the invited user accepts the invitation, their status will update in the User Management page, confirming that they now have access to your Microsoft Ads account with the role you assigned. That's all there is to it. By using the User Management section, you can quickly add new team members, assign the appropriate permissions, and securely manage who has access to your Microsoft Ads account as your business grows.